Hi guys, it's Vicky from the Academy. I'm here today with a popular selection of Canon lenses, and we're going to be looking at the types of photography you might use each lens for, in particular portrait, wildlife, macro, sports and landscape photography. So here I have a selection of portrait lenses from Canon. As you can see, they vary in shape and size, so we're going to have a look at the benefits of using each one. First things first, let's have a look at Canon's 50mm range. 50mm is the perfect focal length for portraiture photography because it's very similar to what the human eye can see. Now over here I've got a 50mm f1.8, something which we fondly call the nifty 50 in fact, because the f1.8 will allow you to get a very shallow depth of field, blurring out those backgrounds and giving you a lovely look to your portrait photography. That said, if you want to take it one step further, over here we have the improved f1.4 50mm lens. Instantly I can feel that that's heavier in my hand because the optics have been improved, and of course it goes to 1.4 on the aperture, so it will allow you even shallower depths of field to allow you to get an even better look to those portrait images. Next I want to take a look at the 70 to 200mm lens. Now, we talk about this lens more in our sports and wildlife video, where we talk about specifics. However, what I'd like to do is just talk about the benefits of this lens for portrait photography. The focal length on this guy is perfect and quite popular in fact with wedding photographers because it will allow you to get that little bit closer to the action without of course you having to do the legwork. Now the nice thing about this particular lens is it also has an aperture of f2.8 which is constant. So even if you're zooming into 200mm, you can still use f2.8 to really create that shallow depth of field and get an amazing look to your images. So last but very not least, we have the 100mm macro lens from Canon. Now this is obviously designed for macro photography, close-up photography. However, you can double it up as a portrait lens. And because it's a 100mm macro lens, it will also allow you to take pictures a little bit more candidly. You don't have to be quite so close like you may well have to be with a 50mm. In terms of macro photography, this is the Canon lens to use for the job. As you can see, it's got this red ring going around the top. That means it's Canon's luxury range, their L series. So the optics inside have been designed to give you the very best quality. It's also got an image stabilizer inbuilt in this lens. So with a focal length of 100mm, you might start to notice a little bit of shake coming in. Well, with that stabilizer, that's going to eliminate all that shake and allow you to get super crisp, super clear images alongside the optics that you get with it, and an aperture of f2.8. This lens is wonderful. So to recap guys, we have our 50mm portrait lenses over here, a little bit more compact, a bit lighter for you. You've got the 70 to 200mm lens, which is perfect for weddings and events. And then you've got your 100mm macro, which is lovely for your macro photography, but will double up as a portrait lens too, all giving you a really lovely, really shallow depth of field to your images. So thanks for watching guys. If you'd like any more information on any of the lenses you've seen in this video, feel free to pop into one of your local Jessup stores or visit us at jessups.com. Also don't forget to hit the subscribe button to keep up to date with all the latest content from Jessups. Thank you very much for watching and we'll see you again soon.